Very good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9.
Ulit, count again. Not so fast.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, 8. How you write 8? Very good. Next one.
1, 2.
Ang galing talaga ni Jeka. Pang honor
Boo!
Hindi si Kuya.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Di ba alam mo si Papaw? Sabi ni kasi ni Kuya,
Very good.
Yung medal ni Papaw sa'yo. Papaw, let's see yung medal sa'yo.
I'm done!
You're done? Okay. Next time, we'll write your name, ha? Okay.
Salute to Thailand! I'm super fast!
Yeah, you're super fast. Okay. Tomorrow, we'll start writing your names, ha? So, kakopy mo yung name mo, Jack, ha? Okay.
Keep doing it. Try to J-E-K.
Oh, yeah, but the full name na. Jack. Angelico, Jack.
I know how to like that.
Oh, sige. Sulat mo nga dito, Wengwi. Kukopyahin niya. Ay, sorry. Hanap ka na. Ayan, sige. Sulat mo dyan. Ikaw muna, Angelico. Pangalan ni Jax. Kukopyahin niya. Pasulat mo muna kay Kuya Wewik. Alam mo yung spelling niya. Oh, Angelico, Jack. Pag masyadong malulog.
Space.
Jake. Ito, Angelico Jake. Yan.
Hindi ganyan ang Jack. Teka.